Ever wondered how to sell your home quickly without spending a dime? One of the first steps is decluttering and cleaning. Strip your home of unnecessary furniture and give those countertops, cabinets, and appliances a thorough scrub. Got any unpleasant odors? Tackle them with baking soda or white vinegar. Let's not forget about arranging furniture to maximize space and removing personal items to help potential buyers envision themselves living in your home. And yes, a little gardening goes a long way in enhancing curb appeal. Remember, a clean and decluttered home is a sold home. Next, let's talk about marketing your home effectively. Showcase your home's best features with high-quality photos. Spread the word on social media and to family, friends, and colleagues. A simple "for sale by owner" sign can also pique interest. The right marketing strategy can attract potential buyers in no time. The final step to a swift sale is pricing your home right. Research recently sold comparable properties for a fair market value. Remember, an overpriced house will linger on the market. Voila, you're nearly there. We've decluttered our homes, marketed them to potential buyers, and priced them just right. Now it's time to seal the deal. Engage with interested parties and don't shy away from negotiations. Remember, every offer is a potential sale. Be open and flexible, but also stand your ground to ensure you get a fair price. Apply these tips and you're on your way to a quick and cost-effective home sale. Good luck with your home sale.